Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. We're back here to go over some products that most of you don't even know you need. And if you're ordering coilovers through our shop or some rear camber arms, these are definitely a good upgrade to get. As we've seen some issues with the ones that come from the manufacturers if they're not set up correct. And everything depends on your drop on your car and how you've set it up. But we're gonna go over some front and rear sway bar end links. All right, so these are basically the only ones offered for the newer Honda's Acuras. So 10th gen, 11th gen Civic, Civic Si, Type R, 10th gen Accord. I haven't confirmed if they'll fit on the TLX and RDX. Most likely they will. But you've got your eyebox kit here. I really like these ones price-wise. They're going to have the Heim joint ends, obviously. They are shorter than the white lines, so depending on the setup you need. White lines are our most popular, actually. We sell at least 20 to 30 sets a week. What a lot of people do is they set these up wrong. And when you actually put the car on the ground sometimes, if the links are off, you're going to get the sway bar rubbing on, suspension parts or the axles, and you'll actually eat through the rod, which is not a good thing. Also offer the Eibach rear sway bar end links, much firmer than the stock ones. We have the RV6 sway bar end links also for the rear. And white line carry them, I'm just not as big a fan of the rear ones. Just because, when you go up to the 25 mil sway bar, I like the more firmer Heim joint ones. Obviously, a firmer setup for me personally is what I enjoy, more race inspired. But I wanted to post these on YouTube today, let you guys know we have them. I'll leave drop links below. So you can order 2-day shipping on these always, guys. We always have them in stock. Sometimes the iBox sell out. But yeah, if you guys want to order, I'll leave a link below. All right, guys, so make sure to go ahead and check out. You can use this code during the checkout process, AxionGarp5. If it doesn't work, if you've used it before, just hit us up for another code and a discount. We can also do bundle deals depending on what you want. So if you want coilovers, rear camber, and these, I could bundle it all to help you save some money. So always an option, but we'll be back with some more videos every week and some updates on our 11th gen coming up in the next week or two. See you on the next one.